sunlight, the other, moonlight, blends into one. Animals like the white raccoon searches for the last bits of food before heading home to rest. Digging with his dexterous paws, he searches for his favorites. Insects, worms, snails, and even prized eggs. Once satisfied, he'll return to his home in the trees to curl up for the night. They have powerful jaws able to crush bones, even those of elephants. And with an excellent digestive system, they can digest their entire brain, which includes the skin, the teeth, the hooves, and the horns. Be one of their favorite foods, and they also feed on fish, fruits, and smaller mammals. A binturong in the wild will live up to 20 years, which is relatively long for such a small mammal. Now it is the female binturong which are the more dominant sex, often weighing 20% heavier and being 20% larger than the male. Now while Narnia is here, he'll be showing us another unique adaptation that this civet possess, and this would be his long and powerful prehensile tails, which enables them to climb onto trees and hang from branches effortlessly. Now these tails are incredibly strong and can withstand their entire body weight, which in Narnia's case is around 15 kilograms. And if you happen to visit the binturong exhibit, I have not forgotten about our beautiful Eurasian eagle owl. Oscar is staying back to show us another unique adaptation, which would be the rotation of their heads. So I'm going to set that perch over there. Now while Oscar gets comfortable on the perch, I'm going to ask every single one of you a question. Look at that. But Yana, don't you think that was a little bit too quick? Would you guys like to see that one more time? Alright, one more time for us, Oscar. A full 270 degrees. Now, fennec foxes, they are native to the Sahara Desert, and they are able to live vertically and horizontally from 1 meter to 1.2 meters in length. Now, Zai will be showing off his impressive jump. Just look at that, so cute. Now, in the desert, they use their sharp and curved claws to dig for their food, looking for things such as small insects, small mammals, and even scorpions. Remember when I told you that they have really large ears? Well, this helps them listen out for prey or predators sneaking up from behind them, and it also helps to get rid of excess heat when out in the hot Sahara sun. Now don't be fooled by this fox, this is indeed a fully grown fennec fox. One more jump for Isaiah. Look at that, so good.